पंजाबी
anyone to boss me around.
पंजाबी गर्ल
हाँ जी
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ गर्ल ਦਾ
बस अच्छा लगता है कि जब पंजाबी मुंडिया नाल
थोड़ा सा हम इंटरव्यू यहाँ पंजाबी में शिफ्ट करने लगे बिकॉज ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੀਰਾ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਕੈਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਹਮ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੇ ਨੰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਝਲਕ ਵੇਖੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਝਲਕ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਡਰਾਮਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਸੋਨਾ ਚਾਂਦੀ ਮੋਰੂ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਯੂ ਬ੍ਰਿਲੀਅੰਟ ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਐਕਟ ਮੋਰ ਮਗਰ ਮੋਰੂ ਤੇ ਮੀਰਾ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਬੈਦੀ ਯਾ ਓਕੇ
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਆਪੇ
ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਟੋਨ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ
ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾ ਘਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਸ਼ਰਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕੁਝ ਚੋਰੀ ਮੋਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਬੁਸ਼ਰਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਏ ਹੈ ओलिव तो उन्होंने कहा हाय बीबी जी मैंने तो शौक ही नहीं होगा तो उधर से फिर मैंने पकड़ा ये
मैं मुझे मैंने तो एड्डा प्यारा लगे मैं क्या यार है साडा सोना चांदी बंदा
शी इज लाइक माय ऑल्टर ईगो
शी नीड्स
शी इज मी शी इज इनसाइड मी
नो शी नीड्स टू कम आउट मैं हैरान हूँ कि हम टीवी ने इस चीज को क्यों नहीं किया कि भाई एक सोना चांदी विद दैट पंजाबी गर्ल एंड दैट
जिन्होंने
उनकी स्टोरी
जिन्होंने देखा उनको बहुत मजा आया बट आई थिंक आई डोंट थिंक द शो डिड वेल बिकॉज़ द शो वाज अ बिट वीक
हाँ मगर शो अगर आपका कैरेक्टर अच्छा आ जाता
आई स्वेयर आई वांट टू डू मोर विद हर आई वांट टू
स्टार्ट डूइंग शॉर्ट्स विद मोरू के साथ बना के जस्ट डू मिनी
पॉडकास्ट ना कर लूं उसकी आवाज में
that'd be great
just as her
do like a lifestyle podcast but I think that character is big
thank you
you should take it to
my mother says the same thing to me she's like you know तुमने वो एक छोटी सी skit की थी it's called the olive jar अगर आप देखना चाहें 1 मिनट की है she's like तुम कॉमेडी इतना अच्छा करती हो तुम क्या किताबों में मैं फंस गई किताबों में मैं करूँगी
writing takes a lot because उसके बाद mentally
और आपको बट साहब मैं एक बात बताऊँ और आप भी नाज़रीन ये सुने बात को you know for every one person who reads Are You Enjoying and inshallah the new one 10,000 people watch my show that's the ratio one person reads my book 10,000 people watch my show और मैं वक्त कहाँ दे रही हूँ मर रही हूँ ये किताबें लिख के Are You Enjoying took me 6 years to write this one took me 2 years because I had all the juice in me but you know where everybody wants to watch TV people want to watch YouTube people want to watch visual stuff nobody wants to think
I watch the American Punjabi you have that American also in that that's nice I think writing is a very personal choice अगर एक आपकी personal satisfaction भी होती है I mean I discovered podcast to be very fulfilling for me
it's so fun
मतलब because वो नहीं होता क्योंकि आप कॉमेडी शोज कर रहे हैं and all that और फिर एकदम आपकी डिक्टेशन कुछ और हो रही होती है
हाँ बिल्कुल
so I was like done with that but
वैसे hosting अभी भी करते हैं आप
हाँ that I love
whenever anybody needs a host they ask you
I think that's the closest to theatre I can get because I grew up on theatre मेरी training theatre वाली है Zain को I met through theatre Wase I met through theatre Fawad I met through that so that's everybody I met through that and वो जो जब आप stage पे आते हैं तो that's the closest you can get to that
totally
so I just love
come
that.
alive yeah is Azan नाम है ना आपके बेटे का माशाल्लाह does he have the bug the कीड़ा
oh yeah
okay
I made sure of that
yeah of course
so when Fatma was pregnant I used to do like तो कहती क्या कहते मैं कहता हूँ मैडम कहती बेटे बेसुरा हो जाए बेताला ना होए लय में होना चाहिए कहती कि जो हार्ट बीट है ना तो ही इज इन सिंक माशाल्लाह ही इज वेरी सुरीला
अच्छा
so I saw Michael with him
okay
I took him to see Michael and now he's into Michael Jackson
and then how old is he
he's mashallah 11 now
अच्छा sweet baby
तो अभी वो जरा अभी उसका when we were doing the podcast अजान कॉल उसका दांत टूटा हुआ था तो क्या पापा मैंने संभाल लिया मैं कहा भाई
उसने संभाल लिया उसको कुछ चाहिए भी होगा पैसे देने पहन के
बिल्कुल पाजी ready for some tough questions
okay
that became very public in your personal life that surprise well I mean obviously बात है you got married everything
yes it was on social media yeah
but what I understand is I think rather to be in a compromising relationship it's better to move on and be easier in each other but हमारा media फिर then they have a field day with that
Oh, did. मैंने actually कुछ नहीं देखा because I have been in a kind of in an internal space the last few years.
Which is good.
And
अच्छी बात है.
I didn't actually, I never Google myself because you know, when you grow up with parents who are public facing, my default was a family that's public facing. So I don't have any interest in, well, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I don't Google myself. I don't ever watch. So I didn't see any of that. Other than when people tag me, then I see it.
Yeah.
Then I see it.
But it's hard to get away from all that.
It is tough, especially when you're a woman in the public eye. And
Yeah.
100%.
हमारे माशरे में होता है वो तो स्टिग्मा तो लगता ही लगता
जी
है.
लगता है.
But I can understand that. But my question was, having said that relationship part, and you mostly write about relationships a lot.
I do.
What is the one thing that you took away from that?
From the failure?
I wouldn't call it failure. I think failure is a very harsh term.
Well, it did technically fail, but that's nice.
Okay. Chalo.
I like that. I
do
like
you
that
think?
you would not call it. So is the question, what did I learn?
Yeah. I saw it as a learning curve.
Yeah. No, I mean, I appreciate that. Wow. Okay. So I think, trust your gut. I think what a lot of women do is, I'm just speaking on
Yeah,
behalf of myself and a lot of friends who have shared stuff. I think what a lot of women do is that we override our gut instinct because a human being is not an island. I am who I am in relation to who you are. Today I am in conversation with you, therefore I am your guest, you are my interlocutor. So I think what happens is that when you're in a part of society, you are who you are, but आपका जो individualism होता है वो दबता चला जाता है according to the reactions you receive and how society perceives you and what you think is expected of you, stuff we were talking about earlier. To cut a very long story short, I think a lot of women override their gut. So the first thing I learned was don't listen to your gut. Second thing is don't shapeshift for anyone, whether it's a man or a boyfriend or a husband or a boss and I think people, if you really like someone, you shapeshift for them, and that's not necessarily a great thing. So those were my two key takeaways. I also had fun, and I grew a lot, and I did things I would never have done. It's nice that I'm able to actually say this now that it's been a few years. But those were my two takeaways. कि shapeshift नहीं करना किसी आदमी के
मगर
लिए.
हमारे यहाँ expect भी तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना कि it's the woman who always have to compromise. मतलब that's expected कि भाई अच्छा because she's changing the house, वो एक
Interesting.
अपना घर छोड़ के दूसरे घर में आ
जी,
गई तो
बिल्कुल.
she's supposed to, that is expected.
हाँ, so कहते हैं ना हमारी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं adjust.
Adjust.
Adjust नहीं कर दी पिकुड़ी. देखो ना.
Looking back, do you think there was a pressure on you to get married at that time, or
Not at all.
were you mentally prepared for
I
that?
was very much an adult, and in fact, I got married in our culture slightly late in life. And you see, the reason then there was a lot of shame attached to it was because it was entirely my own decision. So वो होता है ना जब माँ बाप आपकी करा देते हैं, then it's kind of, but
Yeah,
there was
someone to
none.
blame.
I had no one to blame but myself. And blame is also, it's a strong word, but no, I went into it quite happily with a lot of idealism, with a spring in my step. And I really, now that I'm on the other side of it and older, I think, I wonder if I'll ever have that idealism back, I don't know if you ever spoke to your mom about this, because you said,
many times.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो एक idealism होता है. I don't know
Why
if
do you think I understand women so well? I grew up around very strong of
yeah.
the strongest of them.
The best generation and the best, strongest bloodline in that way.
True.
Yeah.
So, but then I can understand the other side also because हमारे माशरे के अंदर I personally believe the amount of sacrifices that are made from a woman's point of view. मर्दों की, yes, being a father and all that,
जी.
I understand the providing and everything. But it's always expected. मतलब एक चीज़ होती है ना कि आप किसी से ask करें कि अच्छा यार do this for me and all that. जब आप नहीं कहते और आप कहते हैं भाई ये तुमने क्यों नहीं किया, ये तो तुम्हारा फर्ज था, वो आइडियोलॉजी जो है ना उसकी वजह से there's a lot of times you end up on the wrong side of things
Interesting.
because you're expecting it to happen. So like you were expected to make that changes and all that. So that's why I ask you, what did you take away from that?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's move on to some.
बट मेरी सिचुएशन में बट साहब फर्ज वाला नहीं था बिकॉज वो भी
Yeah. Like you said,
he is
कि
quite an
भाई,
independent person
I
and
was prepared
very
for that and I
liberated.
took
He's a
it.
very liberated, cool guy in that way. But I think it was more like sort of vision for life, lifestyle choices. You know.
Yeah. Which brings me to my next question.
जी जी.
You're a writer.
अच्छा ये हमने साबित नहीं किया.
कर दिया.